Welcome to the final day of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios USA, where we've been adding daily bundles at outstanding prices throughout May. First up today, we have a huge A4 Classic card bundle containing 15 packs of our weave textured cardstock in beautiful shades. This limited edition bundle is available at an incredible 70% off to just $13.36. Our next deal is a mega Nuvo marker pen collection that includes 11 packs in a rainbow of colours, available at a staggering 65% off to just $23.06. An essential stampers bundle next with a mini stamping block, cleaning pad and cleaning solution. You can take care of your stamps the right way with this selection at 60% off to just $13.18. And finally, we have a mega mystery die bundle containing 9 classic sets available at a massive 75% off to $25. So that's it for our big spring clean sale. Thank you everyone who's visited the store over the last 11 days. These and our other deals will close on Tuesday evening, so if you haven't got yourself a bargain yet, don't miss out on some of the best Tonic offers ever.